Let's go this way. Nah.
So many options for toilet paper. With Tubble Tie, this roll is titanium enforced. This one is made from elderly trees. Is that good?
Just grab Angel Soft. It's simple, soft, and strong, and for any budget.
Angel Soft, soft and strong, simple.
The best thing I've done recently? Sell with The Real Real. After I cleaned out my closet, they handled everything. I just sat back and got paid for my old clothes and accessories. Because luxury is making room for new purchase, getting a return on your investment. Do less and earn more when you sell with The Real Real. Plus, you can use code AUDIO20 for 20% off on therealreal.com. Pay for your next splurge at therealreal.com.